During the pandemic, schools have made it their mission to ensure the safety of students as well as staff.
But with outbreaks happening on campuses across the country, CBS 4's Karina Vargas spoke to Harlingen CISD about their new COVID-19 rapid testing pilot program and its preventative measures.
We were notified from the Texas Education Agency that Harlingen had been selected as one of 8 districts.
Harlingen CISD has begun using the COVID-19 rapid testing kits on faculty. The self-administered test is currently being used by targeted employees based on exposure levels.
We identified who those employees were that had the greatest degree of physical and close contact with students or colleagues.
Chief Academic Officer Alicia Noyola says faculty gets screened on a weekly basis, but the test is optional. The district did not receive unlimited tests, but Noyola says the goal of the soft launches is to ultimately have it on all campuses.
At some point, there will be an appropriate place for our students to participate in the testing. Again, it's a limited quantity that we have, and so we're going to be very targeted about when those situations would be appropriate.
Students will only be allowed to test with parent permission. Noyola is hopeful this COVID-19 rapid testing program will prevent cases in any of their campuses.
So one of the big ways that it helps us is the screening, because we're able to identify very quickly if we happen to have a potential situation and remove those individuals into quarantine or isolation.
With the rapid testing being a tool to slow the spread of the virus, Noyola says they're still adhering to the traditional protocols of face masks and social distancing. Working for you in Harlingen, I'm Karina Vargas.
Noyola adds the rapid test will also allow them to distinguish those who may be asymptomatic to the virus.